Want to play the drums with more speed, power, and endurance? It all starts with how you hold your drumstick. Start by placing your thumb on top of the stick, with the pointer finger underneath. Hold the stick in different spots to see where it bounces the most. About 1/3 of the way up the stick is usually the sweet spot. But what do you do with the other fingers? Loosely wrap the rest of your fingers around the stick. Now, let go with your thumb and pointer finger for just a second. The stick should sit inside the first knuckle of your middle, ring, and pinky finger. Curve your pointer finger a little and rest the inside of the first knuckle on the stick. Place your thumb on the stick, overlapping the pointer and middle fingers. Make sure the pad of your thumb is flat with the stick. If you play with the side or tip of the thumb, it causes tension, which slows you down and causes injuries. Holding a drumstick should feel like holding a video game controller without pressing buttons. But how do your fingers, wrist, and arms work together when drumming? German grip is when the hand is flat. It mainly uses wrist and arm motion, making it great for power, but not speed. French grip is when the palms face each other with the thumbs on top of the sticks. It mainly uses fingers and is great for speed, but not power. American grip is kind of in the middle with the wrist angled a little. It can use fingers, wrist, or arm motion, making it the most versatile grip for both speed and power. I use American grip for most of my drumming, but you should try them all to see which works best for the music you play. Whatever technique you use, focus on consistency. The more your hand changes, the more your sound changes. So what should you practice to get better on the drums? Some people practice motions in isolation by doing wrist or finger exercises. These can help, but I prefer to practice technique in a musical context. My channel's home tab has thousands of free exercises that can help with that. I'd recommend starting with technique exercises like stick control variations or accent taps. If you want to learn how to hold traditional grip with the left hand, watch this video, or check out this playlist for even more drumming lessons.